Pull up in the Benz outside. They have full of vibe, oh vibe. Girl, I make it up in one night. From come and she a go feel more like I touch her, so she turn in an animal.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to do a baddie on a budget type of makeup look. Pretty soon it's going to be back to school season, and this is targeting mostly like college students and stuff who wanna like put themselves nicely together on probably like a day where there's a special event or something like that. Some people might just be starting out with makeup and are looking for more affordable choices, so I feel like this is the perfect video for you. All the products I'm gonna be using today are from Shop Annibelleza, and she's located here in Kingston, Jamaica, Half a Tree to be specific, over by Half a Tree Mall. Yes, the address and everything, the number, everything will be in the description box. Check my girl out. This is a package that I got and it's sealed, as you can see, so I'm just gonna go ahead. It's like almost like an unboxing as well, or unbagging rather. This is the cute little drawstring bag that everything comes in. I always love her packaging. It's so nice and well put together. This is her card, which, you know, just pretty much tells you all about her business. You know, she also sells virgin hair and stuff like that, so go ahead and check her out. You know, pretty cool entrepreneur, so yeah, big up to she. Yeah, so this is the bag. It has her logo and everything on the front, and these are all the products inside. This is everything that I'll be using today to achieve the look. First product I'm gonna be going in with is my LA Girl brow pomade, and this is in dark brown. All right, I don't use pomades a lot, but you know, sometimes it's good for a change, and I must admit this wasn't too bad. It definitely is not too harsh looking. I went ahead, combed that through, and now to clean it up, I'm going in with my Milani medium dark conceal and perfect wheel, and I'm taking the lightest shade in there for the underbrow area. And you know, as usual, you know how I do it already, just make sure everything is nice and clean and sharp. For the top, I went in with some L'Oreal True Match Cappaccino N8 foundation, and as of course guys, you know, I've been incorporating foundation in a couple of my tutorials because it makes it easy on some of you guys, and you guys like to see when I demonstrate with it, even though I don't wear it on a daily basis, so I don't find a problem with that at all. So yeah, and this, the reason why I do this on top is just to make the brow look more natural and more like the actual skin. I take some more of the concealer I used earlier to just prime slash base the eyes, and then I'm going in with my e.l.f. Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette. All right, I went in with that brown there closest to the black shade for the transition color. This was the first shadow I took, and I just really built that up into the crease for our transition windshield wiper motions to just help to diffuse that evenly. I went over top of that with some of the black. Let me tell you guys, these shadows are so pigmented. I love it. For a very affordable palette like this, I think it's pretty impressive with the pigmentations. I feel like that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to just go in with a little bit of cut crease action. I'm taking some more of the concealer, cutting the crease. Then I went in with some more of the brown on the edge to kind of blend things in. This shade that I'm using here is also from the same eyeshadow palette, but these shadows don't have names, so yeah. I went in afterwards with the Milani Fierce Foil Eyeshine shadows. These shadows are bomb. They're gorgeous, highly pigmented. I mean, highly pigmented. It's absolutely stunning. For drugstore products, they're definitely doing it. I really like it. So yeah, after doing this for the eyes, you know, that's it for now for the eyes. So I'm moving on to foundation. I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Cappaccino N8 foundation again. And I didn't take much, you know. This bit that you saw here is what I kind of use to diffuse on my face, because as you guys know, I don't wear it on a daily and I don't like to pack on too much product. So the least amount I take, it's kind of better for me so that my skin can breathe, and it wasn't too heavy on the skin either. So I really liked that. And now to highlight a bit, I'm going back in with some more of the same concealer from the concealer wheel we used earlier. And I blend that out with my damp beauty blender from Real Techniques. Now to set the highlighted portions, I'm going in with my Milani translucent banana powder, which I absolutely love. I feel like this probably end up being my new highlight setting powder, you know. I'm happy I got my hand on this. To balance out the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Infallible Pro Matte L'Oreal Paris powder, which I love as well. Absolutely love this. Excuse my hand, there some banana powder was left on it, but yeah, I took some Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline to highlight my tear duct area a bit. Now I'm gonna spray my face, slash set my face with my NYX matte finish setting spray. And this came off really nice. It's not harsh or anything on the skin. Yeah. I went ahead and just tapped this in with my damp beauty sponge. I'm gonna highlight away. This is kind of like my favorite part of applying makeup. And I'm taking my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. Now let me tell you guys about this. This highlighter, I was stunned. I loved it. It's definitely bomb. It's definitely a plus. Go ahead and get your hands on this if you're looking for a very affordable bomb highlighter. All right, guys. Now for lips today, I'm taking my NYX lip liner in Brown Cafe. And I really just wanted to keep this as is, but I topped it off with a little bit of my NYX liquid suede lipstick in Brooklyn Thorne. And everything just came together nicely, and it gave me a very nice neutral vibe. I really love the way the look came out. It wasn't too much, but it wasn't too little. And I mean, I definitely feel like this is a baddie on a budget type of look. Yes, it's very affordable. It's cool when you can find affordable products and still slay. Go ahead, check out Shop Annibelleza here in Kingston, Jamaica, Half a Tree Mall, in Half a Tree to be specific. I'll put her number in the description box as well as the location. Let her know I sent you. Thank you for watching this tutorial today. I hope it helped. I'll list all the products used in the description box, and I'll see you in my next tutorial or video. It doesn't have to be a tutorial. That's it for today, guys. Bye.